If your treadmill is making a loud banging noise when you run on it, it may not be the end of the world. And I want to make this video because I run on my treadmill here a lot. And for the last year or so, there's just this loud bang, 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 bang whenever I run on it. And I Googled on the internet, looked for different solutions, and was terrified that my treadmill was broken because they're like, oh, you know, the belt's busted, the deck's busted, everything. And my treadmill is only 7 years old, and so it should have a lot more life in it. But fortunately, I found a technician, and he was able to help me diagnose the problem. So if you have this loud banging on the treadmill, what you may find is if you flip it over, you're going to see that underneath the deck, there's these kind of eraser-looking things, and they're called deck cushions. Mine has 6. 3 here, so 1, 2, 3, and you can see how they look like. But if you look at the ones on the other side, check these out. This guy, completely shredded. This guy, completely shredded. You can even see the rubber coming off. Oh, I wish it wasn't so dark. It's hard to see. But you can see this one is fine, but look how that one is shredded. So it turns out that each one of these is about $25. You could probably do it yourself, but I have the technician helping me change them. But that alone is going to restore the treadmill back to brand new, going to get rid of the loud bang, bang, bang whenever I run, and give me another 70 years of useful life on the treadmill. So I couldn't find any content about deck cushions and loud banging on a treadmill. So I wanted to make this so you could take a look at it, and hopefully if you have this problem, this can be your $100 solution right there.